Hi everyone, it's Matt from Execify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically tag events on your executive or your own calendar using AI actions. From the Execify dashboard, let's take a look first at the tags that we have set up. Go into Settings, go into Tags, and you can see in this demo environment, we have a number of tags set up. Let's focus today on creating automatic tagging of events that meet a specific criteria to be tagged as domestic travel. We'll set up an AI action to automatically tag events that meet the criteria that we type out in an AI action to add this tag. Once the tag is added, that could be used for reporting as well as rolling up into calendar reports. So the way that we'll do that is by going to the AI actions section of Execify. You can see we have a variety of them set up already, and we will next create a new AI action. Let's start from scratch, and let's do this in the case where there's a calendar. To configure this, we want to define which calendars that we want this to apply to first. I actually want this to apply to everyone's calendar. So I'll set up this action to monitor 3 calendars. Next, I want this AI action to trigger whenever a calendar event on any of these 3 calendars is either created or updated. The way that I want to set this up is give it a natural language filter. So this is where I define what the criteria is that it needs to meet. Next, we'll add an AI prompt, and this will define what needs to happen if that criteria is met. So for this, let's write any event that looks like a flight or hotel reservation in the United States. When that occurs, what do we want to do? We want to add the domestic travel tag to the event. Then we hit the restrict permissions, which will analyze what this AI job should do. It should be able to add a tag to event, get the available tags, and that should be it. That's really all we need to do. We'll keep this name that's automatically generated called add domestic travel tag to create this action. And you'll see it's simply added to our AI actions here. Now, let's watch this in action. If we go to our calendar, let's jump to next week and say that we have a flight on Friday for several hours. This flight could be coming in from an integration with United Airlines, for example, or another travel provider. Many times people have things set up where this is propagated from their Outlook or their Gmail or their travel system automatically. That's fine. We're going to go ahead and create something manually that looks like a flight, and then we'll do a hotel reservation, and we'll see how these tags are automatically added. So let's do something that looks like this and write JFK to LAX on this date. That would take about 5 hours. So it lands at 2:27 p.m. We don't need to add a location or anything. This would automatically be added. We'll put this on Olivia's primary calendar, and she'll be the only participant. Let's go ahead and save that event. Let's show Olivia's primary calendar. You can see the lightning bolt here, that it's already being processed by an AI action. Let's go to the day before and put some information about the hotel. Hilton Honors reservation number Manhattan Union Square. We'll also add this to Olivia's calendar. Could add an address in New York and Square. You'll see that this is added as an event. If we click into this flight we added, you're going to see that that AI action ran and automatically applied the tag that we defined based on the rule set of domestic travel. The same is happening for the hotel reservation. And if we go into the AI actions, scroll down to this event, we can actually see that it's run twice, both at 10:08 a.m., my local time zone, and 10:09. If you want to see how this action played out, go and look at the information in AI Assist and see that the tag was added for domestic travel. That's how you can automatically tag events coming into your calendars with very specific rule sets. Once they're tagged, You can create analytics reports. You can create calendar reports filtering down to these, and it's very powerful. So we look forward to people using this functionality. Many customers already are. Please reach out and watch our other tutorials on building calendar reports and analytics. And we look forward to hearing from you. And just a reminder, if you ever have questions, just hit the feedback tab and we'll get back to you on those tickets.